I cloned myself with AI, and now I can create videos in multiple languages without recording anything. Same face, same voice, perfect lip sync. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, and how you can do it too. Now, if you've seen my videos before, you've probably wondered, how is he getting that realistic lip sync? What tool is he using? Is that actually him or AI? Yeah, I get those questions all the time, and the scary part? Most people think it's actually me. So instead of just explaining it, let me show you the final result first, and I'll break down exactly how I created my twin avatar, step by step. But first, quick transparency. This video is sponsored by Heygen, and I'm going to be completely honest with you about what this tool can do and where it still falls short. And if you want to try this yourself, I've left a link in the description. You can start for free or just search Heygen and you'll find it. All right, after clicking the link, you'll land directly on the homepage. From here, the first thing you need to do is sign in. Go ahead and click on the sign in button and register your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be redirected to the main dashboard. And this is where the real magic happens. This page shows you all the tools and features available. But before we explore everything, I want to start with how I create a digital twin using Heygen for my videos. And not just for videos. This can also be used for business presentations, marketing content, or even inside your own apps if you're a developer or founder. You can integrate their APIs and build something really powerful. All right, enough talking. Let me show you how I do this. Click on Create AI Avatar. Once you click that, you'll be taken to this page. Here, you'll see different options like Quick Create Avatars, AI Studio, and more. But for now, we are going to click on Avatars and create our own. Next, click on Clone a Real Person or Create a Virtual Character. You can choose either, but I highly recommend starting with Clone a Real Person. This allows you to clone yourself so you don't need to be in front of the camera anymore, and this gives you access to Avatar 5, which creates very realistic videos using advanced AI models. Now click on Upload. Here, you have two options. You can either record yourself using your webcam or scan this QR code and record using your phone. You only need about 15 seconds of video. Just record yourself naturally, like you're explaining something. This helps the AI capture your expressions and voice better. Alternatively, you can upload a pre-recorded video. In my case, I already recorded mine, so I'll just upload it here.
And when you do that, you're going to start to see some serious...
After that, click Create Avatar. And that's it. Your avatar will start generating. Just make sure your video is clear and natural. That really improves the final result. Next, you'll need to set up your voice. You can either record a new voice or use the voice from your uploaded video. Now, there's one final step. Verification. This is important because the platform needs to confirm that it's really you. This helps prevent misuse of AI, which is very important. It just requires you to record yourself if you did upload a pre-recorded video, and it takes less than 1 minute. Once that's done, your avatar is ready. As you can see, I already have several avatars created. And here's a quick tip. You can even create an avatar from just an image without recording a video. I actually tested this, and it works surprisingly well. Now, when you select any avatar, you'll see multiple options. You can build your video scene by scene, add a script, use a prompt, or create different shots. Let me show you one of my favorite features, Build Scene by Scene. When you click on it, you'll enter the editing interface. On the left side, you can add your script, audio, and voice settings. In the center, you have the timeline where you control your video. And on the right side, you'll find additional tools and customization options. Now, I'm going to upload my audio. I just click Upload Audio and select a file. If you don't have audio yet, you can record directly here or even ask AI to generate a script for you. But personally, I recommend using your own audio if possible. It gives a more natural and authentic result. You can also add your script here, add multiple scenes, and control the voiceover. Now, on the right side, you control your avatar, switch avatars, or add a new one. One important thing I want to mention is the motion engine. Make sure you choose the latest motion engine, Avatar 5. It gives more realistic movements, better lip sync, and adapts naturally to your script. The older version, Avatar 4, was also very good and widely used, but Avatar 5 is a big upgrade. You can also remove the background or keep your own custom background depending on your style. Before generating, let me show you a few more features. Right here on this side, there are AI tools, media elements, and built-in integrations. You can also add captions by clicking on the Captions option and is very useful for engagement. You can customize the caption style, colors, and positioning. All right, once everything is ready, click Generate. I rename the project and choose resolution. And yes, we can go all the way up to 4K quality, which is amazing. Now click Submit. Your video will start generating, and in just a few minutes, it's ready. And here's the result.
Struggling to get your first users? Most founders don't fail because of their product. They fail because no one ever sees it. Here are 5 simple ways to get your first users starting today.
If you want to download it, just hit download, pick your resolution, and you're set. That's just the first feature. Now, if you want to go further, head back to avatars and explore tools like AI Studio, templates, and brand systems. The brand system is especially useful. It keeps your colors and style consistent automatically. Now let's move to another feature that I personally use almost every day, the video agent. Go to video agent, choose your avatar, pick a voice, then select a style. What's really powerful here is that it can generate videos in completely different styles, including motion graphics, and not basic motion graphics either. I'm talking about the kind of animations people normally pay hundreds, sometimes thousands, of dollars for. Then choose your model. Again, I recommend using Cdance too. Let me show you an example I created recently.
Ever wondered how your phone knows the lights are on? This is the Internet of Things. IoT is a giant network of physical objects using sensors and software to connect and exchange data. It starts with sensors. They're the eyes and ears of the net, gathering info from the world. That data goes to the cloud, where smart software processes it to find out what it means.
This one was about IoT. I gave it a simple prompt, asking it to explain Internet of Things for beginners, and it generated an entire video with animations, scenes, and motion graphics automatically. And honestly, these are edits I don't even know how to make myself. But now, instead of hiring an editor or spending days learning animation, I can generate them in minutes. The last feature I want to show you is video translation. This lets you translate your videos into multiple languages automatically. Just upload your video, choose your target language, let's say Spanish, and click Translate. You also get advanced settings if you want more control over the output, and within seconds, your translated video is ready.
¿Te cuesta conseguir tus primeros usuarios? La mayoría de fundadores no funcionan.
What surprised me most is how accurate the results actually are. This becomes incredibly powerful if you're trying to reach a global audience. Honestly, that's one of the biggest reasons I wanted to make this video in the first place, because when I tested these features myself, I was genuinely impressed. And if you want even more tools, click on Apps. You'll find a bunch of additional features built directly into the platform. At this point, this can easily become your main video creation tool. Whether you're building a product, running ads, creating educational content, or making videos without ever showing your face, this completely changes the workflow. But let me show you the part that matters most, the numbers. Before Heygen, I was spending close to $5,000 every month, plus more than 30 hours of work, just to produce 3 videos. Now, a fraction of the cost, about 2 hours of work, and I'm creating more than 15 videos in multiple languages. That's a massive difference. And honestly, this is still just scratching the surface of what Heygen can do. There are so many other features you can explore yourself. So if you're a creator, educator, business owner, or solopreneur, basically anyone who needs consistent, high-quality video content, this is easily one of the most powerful AI tools you can start using right now. You'll find the link in the description below. Go create your free account and test it for yourself. And if this video helped you, leave a comment and tell me, what's your biggest challenge with video creation right now? Don't forget to like if you found this useful, subscribe for more AI workflows and no-code tools, and I'll see you in the next video.